Hello, my name is Joshua Ackerman from Instructional Technology. Today we're going to be going over a recording studio located in the BAC on the CSB campus. In this video, you'll be learning how to use the following studio equipment. First off is the audio mixer. This is a soundboard that controls all aspects of the sound you want to record, including volume and audio channel mixing options. You will also be using the digital recorder. This is used to record the audio feed from the audio mixer. It has ports to record MP3 and WAV files to a USB flash drive, SD card, or a CF card. You will also be using the audio box, some microphones, and some cables. The audio box is attached to the recording studio rack and allows you to connect microphones or other items to the audio mixer. The channel numbers on the audio box correspond with the channel numbers on the audio mixer. You can also use the desk mic or the voice box mic located inside of the studio. So let's get started. Andrew here. He's going to help us go step by step through how to use the audio recording studio. Step 1. Turn on the audio mixer. The audio mixer is the large board located on the top of the rack. On the rear right side of the audio mixer, flip the power toggle switch. The power indicator and other lights will illuminate on top of the board when the mixer is on. Step 2. Turn on the digital recorder. Below the audio mixer in front of the rack is the Tascam digital recorder. Switch this on with the power button located on the front left side of the device. The center blue display screen will turn on. Step 3. Insert your media. Next to the recorder power are 3 media ports to insert media, an SD card slot and a CF card slot behind the hinge door, and a USB flash drive hub. Locate the appropriate port and insert your desired media. USB flash drives are available for checkout out in the music library. Step 4. Press device button. Choose the device you inserted in step 3 by pressing the device button next to the large multi-jog knob on the recorder. Step 5. Select your type of media. The recorder screen will display 3 device options: USB, SD, or CF. Twist the multi-jog left or right to select the appropriate device. Push the multi-jog knob once to submit the selection. Step 6. Select menu. Before you can use your media device, you'll need to format it for the recorder. Start by pressing the menu button on the recorder. A big note here, all data previously on your media device will be erased after this formatting. Step 7. Select utility from menu. Under the menu screen, twist the multi-jog knob left or right to select the utility option. Push the multi-jog knob to select. Step 8. Select memory format. Under the utility screen, twist the multi-jog knob to select the memory format option. Press the multi-jog knob to select. The screen will prompt you to execute the format or cancel. You want to execute the format here. Press the multi-jog knob again to confirm. Step 9. Wait for the media to format. The recorder will now format the media device. Please wait until the format is complete. Again, formatting will erase everything currently stored on the media device. Step 10. Press the home display button. Once formatting completes, return to the main screen on the recorder by pressing the home display button. Step 11. Gather your microphones. Locate the amount of microphones you need in the drawers on the rack. You will also need a microphone cable for each microphone. Plug the end of the cable into the microphone while making sure the pins align correctly. Microphone cables will only connect to the microphone one way. Step 12. Plug in your microphones. Utilize the box located at the bottom of the sound rack to connect any cables or microphones to the system for recording. Again, each number on the audio box is a separate audio channel and corresponds with the channel numbers on the audio mixer. For example, if you plug in a microphone to channel 1, it will be slider 1 on your mixer. Step 13. Adjust the master volume. On the mixer, raise and adjust the master volume. This is the red fader. This fader controls the overall volume for all audio channels. This fader needs to be up for the sound to be recorded. The higher you raise the level, the louder the overall volume will be. A good starting point is initially to raise the fader to the 0 decibel position. Step 14. Adjust microphone levels. Raise and adjust the individual gray volume fader for each individual audio channel that you connected a microphone. The higher you raise the level, the louder the volume will be for that individual audio channel. The gray faders allow for custom volume mixing between multiple microphones. Step 15. Check the LED level indicator. Check the LED indicator to confirm that you have volume. A good volume level should peak between -6 to 0 decibels on this meter. If you don't see these meters, follow these troubleshooting steps. 1. Raise the individual gray fader volumes higher. 2. Raise the red master volume fader higher. 3. Move the mic closer to the audio source. 4. Double check mic and cable connections. Step 16. Adjust the volume with gain. If after raising a particular gray volume fader the microphone is still not loud enough, you can increase or decrease the volume with the white gain knob for each channel located at the very top of the board. Step 17. Check peak levels. The peak indicator light will light up when any given audio channel is too loud. It's okay if this blinks occasionally, but if it's a solid red, adjust the gray fader and or the gain knob of that channel to lower the volume. Step 18. Press record. On the recorder, press the white record button once. The ready and record buttons will light up orange and red to signify that the recorder is ready to start recording. Step 19. Check recorder for levels. When the record button is pressed, volume level bars will appear on the top of the recorder's center screen when there is an audio signal. If the volume is too low, raise the master volume fader on the audio mixer. A good rule of thumb is a volume level peaking between the range of -14 and -2 decibels. Step 20. Plug in your headphones. To hear and monitor your audio, connect the headphones to the phone's jack on the right front of the recorder. You can adjust the headphone volume by the black knob directly above the jack. You should always base your volume levels off your audio mixer and recorder volume indicators, not your headphones. Step 21. Press play to record. To actually start the recording process, press play on the recorder. The play and record buttons will light up green and red, and the recorder will begin recording audio from the mixer. Step 22. Press stop to stop recording. When you are done recording, simply hit the stop button. All white button lights will shut off. Step 23. Wait for the recorder to write. Once you stop recording, the recorder will write the files to the media device. Please wait while this process finishes. This may take a few minutes. The screen will switch to a secondary screen with a track count when complete. If you need to make additional recordings, repeat steps 18 through 23 found in the Easy Start Guide. Step 24. Remove media from the recorder. Once the recorder finishes writing the files to the media device, you can continue to make other recordings by repeating steps 18 through 23, or remove the media device from the media ports. Step 25. Turn off the recorder. Switch the recorder power button off. The center blue display screen will turn off. Step 26. Turn off the audio mixer. Switch the audio mixer power switch located on the back of the mixer to the off position. All lights on the mixer will shut off. Step 27. Put the microphones away. Please be courteous to the next user and neatly store all recording studio accessories to their appropriate storage areas. This is also a good time to remember to bring down the volume faders on the audio mixer. And that's it. You're ready to make a recording. If you have additional questions, you can contact the Instructional Technology Specialists. Our contact information can be found on the Instructional Technology page of the CSB+SJU website. Thank you, and have a great recording.